Welcome back to the sardine world of fish and more.
Good morning, greetings from Port Edward, Splash Rock. Not a lot of action going on here. Sea's absolutely beautiful with this little northwest offshore breeze you got. Our forecast tells me there's a buster southwest coming later today, so it's going to mix things up a little bit. But the sea today is pristine conditions. I'm going to take you now to another spot called Granny's Pool. I'll introduce you to that, so stay tuned. As promised, here we are at Granny's Pool. Lovely little spot. Friendly little pathway down to Granny's Pool. She looks like it's quite good. Big break at the back line there. Northwest wind blowing, hardly blowing at all. I do believe that the southwest will be coming at 40 kilometers an hour this afternoon. So if you're tired of fishing all the shade places, the crazy places to go and fish, all the crowds, and you come to a place like this and put a scratching trace on, see what happens.
Yeah, big welcome back to the sardine news. Yeah, it's quite cold again, and it's going to get colder. There's a big cold front coming, and it's going to last a couple of days. While the cold front's cold fronting, you can check out the sardine map, and on the map there's more than just sardines. We've been trying to put in the ocean sightings like marine sightings and things like that to complement the sardine sightings. But anyway, cut a long story short, the sardine map has been populated again, repopulated, because there have been sardines showing up all over the place. Umkomaas, Umtolumi, and all heading north, and all just about must be part of that last shoal that Manny Chirero spotted in Coffee Bay. And now we've got a spring tide coming up and a big cold front and a full moon. So this must be the last gasp for any sardine hunters or netters or enthusiasts around the place. So on the sardine map, it's been a lot of fun. Hey? Really it is, to compare the different maps to each other. It's been so much fun. But then we've also added onto it some fish catches and fish sightings and marine sightings. We haven't been too good on the marine sightings because there's so many damn whales and dolphins, but we will be a bit more serious about it as time goes on, because this map is fun. It's a real cool interface. It's a pity it's so clunky because it's Google, but it's all right. We'll stick with it for the moment, unless there's any React programmers out there who want to help me make my own map. But okay, now on this map are the fish catches, and we're going to concentrate today on the Garrick. The Garrick have rocked up. Obviously, they come this time of the year, just after the sardines. And Margate Pier is a hotspot. They've got quite a few Garrick in the last few days. Here's pictures of them. And yeah, you just click on the map, you check that. And as you click around, you can find different catches. There's a couple from gone by, but why I'm saying all this is because I'm going to get more serious about logging catches. So when you catch something, send it to me at my WhatsApp or my email address. I'll put them up here now. And then I can log the catches on the map. And we've all got a nice reference for when it gets cold tonight and tomorrow and we've got nothing to do. You can just go through the map and check out all the things that have been happening and pick up trends and ideas and patterns. And maybe next year you're going to be even more on the case with these sardines and shad and Garrick and things. Right, so in the meantime, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. And join the channel to get the news first. This news all comes into a particular WhatsApp group, which is private, and you have to be invited, and then you take the news from there. But if you are part of the hotline, you pay 60 Rand a month, you get the news first before anybody else, and you can contact us and we will sort you out for where you want to go fishing. At the moment, we're looking after quite a few guys who are hunting for shad, and we don't tell the public where the shad are because that's just plain stupid. But we certainly will tell you if you sign up to the hotline, and then you have a direct one-on-one with us. Simple as that. And you also get discounts for Mardos, and you get free things on the website, the sardine.coza, which is working again, I believe. So you can buy some Mardos there. But okay, thank you very much for watching this. And I'm going to play out with some underwater scenes of shad because it seems to be the right thing to do at the moment. Ciao, ciao.